Today I'm gonna show you an online platform that pays you for watching videos. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna search www.taskbase.com. As you can see that, okay, now all you need to do is register, and if you are new here you need to register, and if you are a customer or a member, just click on the login so that you're gonna log in and continue watching your videos. Now let me log in. Tap on that three lines. As you can see, here is home. Click on home. Yeah, now log in. And you can sign in with your Facebook or Twitter account if you want. Now as you can see, here is it. Here is my earning balance. As you can see, 18.37 Ghana cedis. Yeah, you can see that. I can see you can deposit money, you can withdraw, upgrade your account, user profile. Okay, you tap on that three lines in the top left corner. Now tap on watch and earn. You can see TaskBase TV. Tap on it. Now here are the videos. Watch each video. They pay you about 1.15 Ghana cedis. 1 cedi, 1.15 pesos. Oh, okay, 1.15 pesos. You need to watch 3 or 4 videos a day daily. Yeah, when your money rate $10, which is 86 Ghana cedis, then you can withdraw. Only 20 seconds. So when you are done, when your money rate 86 cedis, you need to withdraw. And thank you for watching.